Hi, welcome to the We Are Researching YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to change your username on Twitter app step by step. First, go to Twitter app on your phone. Tap on the profile icon on the top left corner. Then tap on Setting and Privacy option. Tap on your account section. Then tap on Account Information. Here you can see the username. Tap on the username to change it. You need to use a unique username. After that, tap on Done button. Thus, the process of changing your username on Twitter app has been completed. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment and click the bell for new videos.